This is a classic story how God turned bad things into good things. Today, my craft is inspired by Mikayla Ulmer. She is 13 years old and she has a lemonade business. She started off when she was 4 years old selling lemonade at a lemonade stand. She was stung by a few bees when she was 4 years old, and she was afraid of them. But her parents made her learn as much as she can about bees so she don't be afraid of them. That actually made her want to help the bees. So she got so popular selling her lemonade. People wanted them in their restaurant. Now they're even in grocery stores. And because she loved the bees so much now, she started something now every single time you buy lemonade from her, a percentage of that goes towards helping saving the bees. So she's selling lemonade and saving the world. And if you don't know why bees are important, you should go look it up. Inspired by Mikayla, I'm going to make honeybee hair clips. So now let's get on to the crafts. Like and subscribe. That's it for today.